Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create highlight from your stories archive on Instagram. Alright, so if you have archive stories, you can find it. Just click on three line in the top right corner and then click archive. So you can find your stories archive right here, and to make the highlight, you can click on three dot in the top right and then click create highlight, select stories, and then click next. So just create the title, for example, and then click add. So you can see the highlight that created will appear on the profile. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was able for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.